Welcome back to my meeting card tutorials. You can find our app in both Google Play or Apple stores online. Our goal is to improve the meeting verification process, using your mobile device to check in, check out and send meeting reports to your designated party. In this tutorial we will show you how to both check in and check out of a meeting with my meeting card mobile app. In the previous tutorial, we showed you how to create a meeting. You will use the same meeting icon in the main menu page to check in. Click on it and you should see the meeting you've recently created in the ongoing section. Created meetings are usually identified with colored dots next to them. Black is for a past meeting you have already attended. Orange is for a pending meeting coming up and green is for a meeting you are currently logged into. If you don't see the meeting that you're currently trying to attend, please create a new listing at that time. Visit the listing after and click on its box. If you are at the location and ready to check in, just click the button. You will receive a green box stating you are checked in. The app will timestamp your time, the date and exact location. This information collected will be cross-referenced with our staff checks to ensure the integrity of details provided in our mobile application. Once you've checked in, we encourage you to put away the phone and give the meeting your full attention. Don't worry, the app runs in the background so you can focus on your meeting and the people there. At the end of the meeting, simply open up my meeting card mobile app, find the current meeting and click checkout and that's it. Your meeting information history is stored within your account and you can generate a report at that time if you'd like. Please note, you cannot check into a meeting more than 30 minutes before its start time. You will receive a pop-up error message if you try stating that it's too early. Secondly, you cannot check in if you are more than 10 minutes late to that particular meeting, and will receive a different pop-up message. Most importantly, you also must stay at the location of the meeting to receive verification. If you try to leave the area while checked in, you will receive a warning alert on your mobile device. If you remain outside the meeting location, eventually you will be automatically logged out of the meeting, and not receive credit for attendance. That's all for now. Please subscribe to our email list or YouTube channel for more tutorials on my meeting card app.